Imagine you're working on a project in Go, and you come across a common problem. You need to truncate a string to fit within a specific number of bytes. The challenge is that simply using slicing could potentially cut the string in the middle of a UTF-8 character, resulting in an invalid run. This can be quite a headache, but fear not, a solution is at hand. Now let's delve into the solution you provided. In the code snippet you shared, you implemented the UTF-8 save truncate in bytes function, aiming to safely truncate a valid UTF-8 string to a specified number of bytes. However, upon closer inspection, we can see a flaw in the implementation when considering edge cases like truncating a multi-byte UTF-8 character. For instance, running UTF-8 save truncate in bytes 0, 1 would unexpectedly return true with a length of 3 bytes. Continuing with the exploration of your proposed solution, we encounter an alternative approach that might be more efficient and reliable. By utilizing an existing optimized implementation provided by tailscale.com, specifically tailscale.comutiltruncate, you can achieve the desired string truncation without the risk of invalid runs. An example using Truncate, string 0, 1, would correctly result in an empty string with a length of 0 bytes. In conclusion, while your initial attempt at a constant time safe truncate function was motivated and well-intentioned, there are more optimized solutions available that can handle edge cases more effectively. Consider exploring existing libraries like tailscale.comutiltruncate for a robust and efficient string truncation process. And there you have it, a journey through the complexities of string truncation in Go. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more quirky tech solutions.